Introducing 7-Way Stories, where kids experience one story 7 ways through an ebook, video story.
This is the story of Sloth and Moth, best friends forever.
Audiobook, puppet kit, writing guide, craft, and a recipe. So as kids read, watch, listen, tell, write, craft, and taste the adventure, they're using all of their story senses. The stories all encourage emotional intelligence by introducing themes of kindness, friendship, empathy, and cooperation, boosting kids' emotion quotient while building reading and writing muscles. 7-Way Stories also ignite young imaginations and spark creativity, which Forbes Magazine calls the skill of the future, so kids can become the hero of their own incredible story. 7-Way Stories from Page Turner Adventures.